Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with U Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. So I'm going to go up under Review to start out in the upper left corner. Okay. Next one up here is our preferences. I'm going to click in here. We'll spend a little bit of time here today. First off, under General on the left, Options on the top, I'm going to have you guys fill in your full first and last name for your username. And this is going to show up in a few different places in Bluebeam. Those of you that have been using Bluebeam Revu for a while, you'll know that there's a markups list down at the bottom that records all of the markups that you're doing. And it's going to tell us who the author is. So this is where it's pulling that author name is your username. Also, if you're using some interactive stamps that maybe it's an approved stamp, it has the date automated and the user, it will pull your name and the date that you place that markup onto the stamp. So we want to make sure this says your full first and last name. A lot of times that defaults to a computer name or some sort of an abbreviation or something like that. I would change that to your full first and last name. I hope you took some notes. I hope you enjoyed the detailed introduction of parts of the interface in Bluebeam Revu. Thanks for joining us. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.